My name is Greg Davis and I'm with CBS ArcSafe. The presentation we have for you today covers our closed door remote switching system for pad mounted transformers. Now, to begin with, the first thing you have to do is you have to get our kit for mounting this. You have to bore a 3-inch hole, and we've got a template for doing that. It takes 4 bolts to bolt this thing onto your door, and you're going to bolt it on like this, as you're going to see here in a second. But this is all made so that you can easily figure out where to put it on the door and get it mounted so that you're going to be able to use the remote switch actuator. Once you've got that, then what you're going to need, based on the models of transformers and what your switch shape is like, you're going to get a hot stick adapter. These will come with what you're going to need for various lengths and depths, and also for the shape size of the switch that's inside the transformer, so that when you stick this in the door, it's going to go on the switch properly and be able to operate the switch with the RSA on the outside of the door. Next, this is the remote switch kit itself. This is for the transformer. You've got our RSA, which is configured to fit on the outside of the door. We have a separate one for open door applications, but today we're just concerned with the through the door, on the outside of the door type applications. That comes with this Pelican case here. So you're going to have the RSO4 for the pad mounted transformer and the RSA for the pad mounted transformer for outdoor applications. And based upon your needs, you're going to have your set of adapters here to go in the door. Okay? You'll open the door as what you see right here and insert. Now this is going to go in. Sometimes you may have to jiggle it a little bit. Brian, can you show the overhead camera right now? And it'll go back and forth as we do this, so you'll see that just going to slide right over that. Now we're going to mount our remote switch actuator on the door. As you can see right here, this has an adapter with about 1.5 inch spring right here. It's got 2 of our Maglocks twist magnets on there. Okay, so it's made to be able to go on there, and if there's any depth variation, the spring is going to adjust for that and take it. We'll put this on our door. And that's all it takes to put the RSA PMT closed door on the switch itself, as far as on the outside door of the cabinet. Next, we'll turn our RSO4 on. We will go from doing that to energizing it, and we've got that done now. So this is what it looks like when we do this. Okay, and now I've got to hit the, let's see, close button. Let me put my glasses on real quick.
Should we go on a trip?
We're going to trip first. Finishes the operation, and now we're going to go close, and the switch is closed.
Do that one more time, Greg.
Okay, here we go one more time with trip.
Explain the indicator light.
The indicator light lets you know that the operation is complete, so that tells you that it's finished the cycle, and now you can check your switch. We're going to do it one more time with the close. And that completes 2 operations of the switch right there. Now, for questions, you can call us at 1-877-472-3389. You can also email us at info@cbsarcsafe.com. You see these pad mounted transformers. They're run by local utilities. They're outside of grain mills. They're outside of hotels. They're outside of residential areas. You'll find these things located all over the place in various configurations. And this kit is made to adapt to all of those. And all you're changing is the end of your hot stick attachment to be able to operate those safely from outside of the cabinet. If you've got questions, please, we're open for those right now. And again, contact us at 1-877-472-3389 or info@cbsarcsafe.com.
I'll just kind of pan for a second. So we have a question here. How do you handle multiple switch positions, A, B, etc.? So right now this is just a two position switch. We haven't done the 4-position yet.
Okay, Ben was telling me we have done just the 2-position switch so far. We have not done the 4-position switch. So one of the things to understand is everything we built is because somebody has asked us to quote it and give them a lead time to make a new product. When I first started working for CBS ArcSafe in 2009, we had like 5 products. Today we have over 800, and there's a reason for that 800. Somebody would call us up and say, I need something for this switch. And so we would turn around, look at it, figure what the feasibility was for making a particular remote switch actuator for that, what it was going to take, and we would provide a quote with a lead time for that development item, and then when they ordered it, we would proceed to make it. So when somebody decides to order the 4-switch position system, we will figure out what it takes to do that and provide a quote with a lead time for that particular product.
Any other questions?
If anybody has any other questions, please let us know. And again, the number is 1-877-472-3389, or you can send your email to info@cbsarcsafe.com.